I remember since childhood it has been told to you also, it has been told to me also, Praveen, apply common sense. It is very important. Apply common sense. You might have heard, you don't have common sense or what? Sometimes I really believe that we really have to apply common sense in every situations of our life. Let's discuss this today and let's have your perspective also. Let me give three examples and then you only tell me whether we should apply common sense or something else. First, I still remember me alone standing in front of my dad and mom. And my dad in his very heavy voice said, Praveen, listen very carefully. See son, only thing which we have in this family is respect. People respect us in our society. Make sure you don't spoil the respect. I said, tell me directly, dad, what exactly you have in your mind. He said, I can see some changes in you. He was talking about hormonal changes. He said, I can see some changes in you. Love marriage is still okay, but no intercaste marriage. And I thought, you never taught me how to love someone by putting a caste filter here. But why you are telling me all this now? I'm in 11th standard. It's too late. I already decided. And that girl is good. But the only problem, she belongs to some different caste. And my mom said, Praveen, apply common sense. It's not good. What people will say. And we ended that conversation and I thought, yes, let me apply common sense. That people have decided that you should not marry intercaste girl. That's common sense. But then for a moment I thought, let me apply my sense. And my simple sense at that age, even at that age, was saying this, that what is marriage? That you find a girl, first you like, you find a girl who both strongly believe that yes, we together can live a productive life. And then I thought, instead of common sense, let me apply my simple sense. And I decided to marry that girl and today we are living a productive life. Let me give one more example. In 2011, I was beaten by a bug called entrepreneurship. I was watching a movie called Rocket Singh. That's the only reason I got inspired. Sometimes some people ask me, Praveen, who inspired you to start business? Ranbir Singh. Go on my website, praveenodalkar.com, and there's 6 people who really inspired me, out of which one is Ranbir Singh. Indirectly inspired me. The only reason that bug, I was beaten by that bug because of that movie. I still remember after watching that movie, I looked towards my wife, I said, hey, can we do this? Because if you have not seen that movie, it's a simple movie where common man can build business. And then I started business. And then I thought to leave my job. And I was working as a senior marketing manager in a multinational company, and that company I joined just 3 months ago, and it was my dream to become a senior marketing manager in a multinational company. I started my career in 2001 and I worked only in 3 companies because I believe in long-term commitment. So the first company I worked almost for 8 to 10 years in Cipla, then ran Baxi for 3 years, and then because it was my dream to become a senior marketing manager, I took this assignment. But within 3 months then I saw this movie Rocket Singh. And then I thought, wait a minute, 10 years, 2001 to 2011, 10 years I've done job. It's good, I was doing good. Then I thought, let me leave job and start business. And I started sharing this idea with my family, friends, and with everyone. And they said, Praveen, apply common sense. I said, what do you mean by that? He said, no one in your generation did business before. Your dad was an auto rickshaw driver, Praveen. You don't have money, you know, in 10 years, if you are spending 10 years in corporate, you learn a lot. You earn very little, right? So you don't have any saving. So apply common sense, do not start business. And I thought, okay, yeah, they're right. I have no MBA degree, no finance, no experience of business. Apply common sense, that's right. But then for a moment, I thought, let me apply my simple sense, whatever sense I had. I said, for 10 years I have done job. I mean, I was enjoying my work. But just because you are doing one thing, if you are enjoying it, that doesn't mean that you have to do the same thing throughout the life. Job is job. I love job. Job is good. But it's still job. It's still job. It's still, I'm playing a very small part in one big company. I'm still just playing that role only. It's still a job. And I thought, okay, that's good. Even if I'm doing the world's most creative job, but if I'm doing it every day, it is still monotonous. So one day I will get bored. So why not to start my own business where I can explore myself, where I can do what I want to do. The only reason I decided that I should start entrepreneurship journey, I thought, okay, 10-year job is enough. Let me try something new. And then people said, Praveen, apply common sense. 95% businesses fail. I said, it's absolutely okay. At least I will feel that I have failed by doing something which I have never done in my life. I failed by stretching my limits. And then I decided to apply my sense. And fortunately, because few years ago, I decided to apply my sense and decided to marry a girl, which we decided that we will live a productive life. When I shared this, because we were like-minded, even she said, Praveen, yes, we're doing it. Even she decided to leave a job, and then we together decided to start this journey. We failed. Several times we failed. Several times. Many of you know the piggy bank story. But today we have a team of 200 people. Today we are acknowledged by Economic Times. Why? Because decided to apply not common sense, your sense. Let me give one last example. Then I would love to have your perspective. It has been told to you since childhood that if you're a boy, cut hairs. Told by teachers, told by parents. If you're a girl, grow hairs. Who decided that? That is common sense. But who decided that? Don't you feel that we are blindly following the common sense? And when I realized that, no, we should not follow common sense. That is not the sense which I want to follow. Then I thought, let me apply my sense. What kind of hairs I want? Shall I grow or cut? Then I decided to grow my hairs. Only reason I decided to grow my hairs because it was my sense. Looking good, looking bad, it's my sense. At least when I'm visiting this planet, at least I will leave this planet, when I will say that whatever life I have lived on this planet, I've applied my sense, not common sense. And today I have the longest hair in my family, longer than my wife and mother, because of not common sense, my sense. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know whether you are going to visit this planet again or not. Maybe you will visit this planet again, but I'm 100% sure you are not going to visit this life again. You have only one life. You decide whether you want to live this life by applying common sense or you want to live this life by applying your sense. So whenever you are doing something for someone, then apply common sense, because they expect from you that you should behave with them the way world is behaving. Apply common sense. But when you are doing something for yourself, do not apply common sense, because I know you have sense. Apply your sense. This is Praveen Vadalkar signing out. Until we meet again.